Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find where the fuse for the oxygen sensors is located. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish guys. Now, this should work on generation from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys, oxygen sensors you can see on the back, one is right there. Okay, you can see one before, one after the catalytic converter, that it does its job and it detects, okay, if everything is working correctly. So now where, okay, let me see if I can actually show you clearly where the oxygen sensors are located. Okay, so you can see it in a better way. Okay, you can see one of them, okay, down there, and then the other one is underneath guys. Okay, the wiring harness just keeps going that way. So with that being said, okay, let's explain what we have. Fuse box right here that we have. So you need to open that fuse box, okay, and you're going to go ahead, okay, open that box, and you're going to find now right here guys, okay, you need to find a fuse. Okay, it's going to correspond to what we have specifically right here. Okay, you can see everything is the same. That's the fuse pattern right here, corresponds to what we have here. So the fuse guys that we need specifically, okay, in our case will be known as sensor 1. Okay, sensor 1. So keep looking guys, okay, this way on the fuse box, and if you come right here, that 15 amp fuse, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 fuse, okay, check right here. In some cases you may have another one for sensor 2 right here, check both of them. Okay, it could be both fuses, but what we are going to do, okay, you're okay, oh, nope, 6 fuse, let me see, I got it wrong, it's a 15 amp fuse. Okay, sensor 1, sensor 2, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, these two fuses guys, check these two fuses. Okay, these two fuses right here that you need to check, but definitely guys you want to check sensor 1 fuse. Okay, you're going to come right here, come over this one, okay, and remove the fuse guys simply by pulling it out. Always test them, never assume the fuse is good. Why? Because guys, you may think the fuse is good, but actually you put it back, it's a bad fuse, and you're going to spend so much time and money trying to fix your car. All we had to do is test the fuse. So what I recommend guys, go ahead and test it. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to test them in just a few minutes. If you want replacement fuses, you have some here, and if you need to buy one, okay, we'll share how you can get car fuses for a cheap, really good price guys as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.